I just started reading about
What's up, guys? I'm over at City Hardwoods in this beautiful place with all this wood. So nice. What's up, John?
Hey, what's up?
John, Jay.
So,
Jay's picking up some wood for his project coming up. Coffee table.
Coffee table. Cherry and zebra wood coffee table. Check out this piece of zebra wood.
I can't turn my camera around.
Looky, looky.
ready.
Looky, looky. I had a friend used to say, "Shucky ducky."
Shucky ducky.
And dude, John, I want you to look. This guy, they've got some ash over here that is just unbelievable. So real quick, hang on a second. So this is what I've been using for my mallets, and I've been getting it from here. But this is, tell us about this.
So this is,
It's still ash.
it's still ash. It's thermal ash. Some people call it eco ash. The company Viking Wood makes this stuff, and what they're doing is they take kiln dried ash. This is my understanding, and they put it in these long metal cylinders, and they cook this stuff right up before it would catch on fire. They know that temperature, and what it does is it takes this dark color all the way through, and you're cooking out all the sugars and sap and all that kind of stuff. So it's great for exterior use. I mean, they've essentially turned this thing into a piece of carbon that looks like wood. So
It's awesome, and it smells. No kidding, it smells.
straight up beef jerky.
Yeah, it smells like beef jerky. I mean, what could be better? I guess bacon.
Bacon, yeah.
Yeah. So, and also, you guys are having your, in a little while, your website is going to be ready for
Yes.
shipping some small stuff out, or?
We're getting there. We want to be able to ship out very, very small things, but mainly what we're trying to do, I don't know if you've seen the website here recently, but it just needs some polishing up and that kind of stuff. So we've got some customer testimonials, different things like that, but we are moving to being able to ship from the website.
Yeah,
but
so
that's still a little ways down the road.
Yeah, I'll keep up with these guys and then for sure let you guys know because they've got a great, great selection. I'll walk around before end the video.
Show them this Ambrosia Maple.
Let's see if I can get in here. I can't turn my camera around without using the YouTube app.
Ambrosia Maple. This stuff is gorgeous.
Oh man, look at that. And it goes all the way up there. Look at that. This place is incredible. I mean,
Appreciate you guys coming.
just look at that wood, man. All right, so yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. Thanks, John.
Hey, thank you.
I want to show you some of this. You have some more of those slabs back. Oh no, this is it. This is a peely. Sapele slabs go from the floor. I'm gonna stand here for scale. Yeah, there you go. Jay, you stand over here. You're shorter than I am. the boards will look bigger. Wow. And it's how thick?
It's 10 quarter.
10 quarter.
Yeah.
Sapele slabs.
I'm about 25 quarter.
All right, guys. We'll see you later.